In Governing Global Cities Singapore, Kenneth has produced an exceptional book. Among many of the arguments in the book, Kenneth questions whether Singapore's valorization of our strong state qualities of meritocracy and pragmatism are as beneficial as its defenders argue.
Well, this is a book that tries to set the stage for thinking and talking about possible futures for Singapore in this post-Lee Kuan Yew age. So that's what the book tries to do. And these pieces I've organized in terms of three clusters, if you like. So the first area has to do with the strong state itself. The idea of a state that is high capacity, high performing, and which also has a very wide scope of influence. The second area has to do with the relationship between that strong state and society, or the organized parts of society that we call civil society. And the third area has to do with the national narrative, what we commonly call the Singapore story, right? And this is the story that we collectively tell ourselves in order to figure out who we are, in order to have something to say about where we came from, where we want to go, and how we can get there.
I think the questions of why Singapore, who's Singapore, and how Singapore are going to be significant. In a sense, they map kind of nicely to the three sections of your book, Kenneth. It is this notion of, do we have to redefine what it means to be Singapore? What is our reason for being in a changing world? And I think you've done an incredible job, Kenneth, of laying the groundwork for future observations, discussions, and critiques to come. And for that, I applaud you. Thank you very, very much for that.